Here's another simple side dish that you can throw together. Doesn't take a lot of ingredients. A can of green beans, a can of yellow beans, a can of kidney beans. Again, just dump them in that bowl. Take one onion, slice it up, toss it in. To this, we are going to add 3/4 cup white vinegar, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup oil, salt and pepper to taste. Give it a stir. Break that onion up a little bit. When it's all done, you have a nice little salad. Usually your bowl would be smaller. You want to cover this, put it in your refrigerator for at least half an hour. One, so it gets cold, but two, so all of the flavors get absorbed into your bean salad. There you go. Enjoy.